Good morning students. Today we will learn multiplication of integers. In previous classes we have learned addition and subtraction of integers. So multiplication, as you know, multiplication means repeated addition. You have learned this in the starting, I think class 3 or 4. So this is the basic concept of multiplication. So we will try to understand this also by repeated addition method. So plus 2 multiplied by plus 3 means this 3 is repeated, this 3 is repeated 2 times. So let us repeat this. 1, 2. 2 times this is repeated. So where is our ending point? Plus 6. So it means plus 2 multiplied by plus 3 means answer is plus 6. So 3 2 ja 6 and positive multiplied by positive, we are getting positive. Now let us see one question of positive and negative. Plus 2 multiplied by minus 4. So it means minus 4 is repeated 2 times. Minus 4 is repeated 2 times. So let us repeat it. Minus 4 means we will come this left side 1 and one more time 2 times. So what is the result our? Minus 8. So now you see 4 2s are 8 and this positive multiplied by negative is negative coming. So remember, one positive and one negative number whenever you will multiply, you will get your answer in negative only, this negative. Whether any number is negative or positive, that is not matter. If one positive and one negative number is greater or smaller, that is not a issue here. Only one is negative, one is positive means answer will be negative. But this was not in addition. In addition, you remember what was the rule? When we add two numbers, we subtract. If the sign are different, we subtract each other and put bigger number sign. So this is different. Here we will multiply and one negative, one positive means our result will be always negative. And suppose this question was given like this way, means change this order, minus 4 into 2. So the same result will be there. 2 into minus 4 is the same as minus 4 into plus 2, because this is the property of multiplication. We can change the order. 4 to the 8 and 2 4 is also 8. So whether you change the order, then also same answer will be there. So minus 4 into plus 2 is also minus 8 and plus 2 into minus 4 will be also minus 8. Now let us think about both are negative, then what we will do? So that immediately not possible to show here, because repetition we can't show in negative sign. For example, minus 3 into minus 2, I want to explain you. So here what is the repetition? We can't say negative sign is there. If it is like this given, then we can say that minus 2 is repeated 3 times, but minus 3 means not meaning of this repetition. So we will understand this by this process, this pattern. Just now we have learned one negative and one positive, answer is negative. So 3 3s are 9 and one negative, one positive minus. 3 2 ja 6 minus 6. 3 1 ja 3 minus 3. 3 into 0 is 0. Similarly stop here. Till here you see the procedure. What I have done this side, this is fixed. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. But here you see the pattern. 3 2 1 0. And here what coming? Result minus 9 minus 6 minus 3 0 means 3 3 increasing. So you see the next step. What will come? This is constant. After 0 what will come by this procedure? यहाँ एक 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 घटते जा रहा है. तो आफ्टर 0 what will be? 1 less minus 1. और इधर रिजल्ट में क्या हो रहा है? रिजल्ट इज इंक्रीजिंग, 3 3 बढ़ते जा रहा है. यू ऑब्जर्व केयरफुली, देखो 3 3 बढ़ रहा है. तो आफ्टर 0 what will come? Plus 3. So what you can say? Minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 3. And same next step, minus 2 here. So again और 3 बढ़ा दो. After 3 6. So minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. So very interesting, you see by this pattern you see 3 2 is 6 and negative multiplied by negative, what are you getting? Positive. So now remember, this answer will be positive 6. So negative multiplied by negative is positive. This is for multiplication. Okay, with the help of this you can solve questions related with the integers. Okay.